How to upload receipts in Web. First of all, log into your Web account and go to your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Accounting and from the drop-down, select Transactions to access all your bank and cash activities. Next, locate a transaction you want to attach a receipt to or click Add Manual Transaction if you need to create a new one. Once you are on the transaction page, look for the Receipt section. To upload a receipt, simply click on the Select a File button. Click on it and select a receipt file from your computer or device. File must be 6 MB or smaller and Web accepts common formats like PDF, JPG, GIF, PNG and more. After selecting the file, it will appear attached to the transaction. You can add multiple receipts if needed, which is helpful for detailed record keeping or expense documentation. Next, review the transaction details to make sure everything matches your receipt, including the date, amount, and category. If needed, you can add notes to provide extra context about the expense. Finally, click Save to attach the receipt to your transaction. Once saved, your receipt will be securely stored in Web, making it easy to track expenses, support accounting reports, and maintain proper documentation for tax or auditing purposes. Now you know how to upload receipts in Web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.